How y'all doing? What's going on with you? Y'all, it's the Friday before Christmas. It's the Friday before Christmas. We done got here quick, y'all. We done got here quick. I'm on my way, Amber called, but I knew it anyway because I had to call in. I kept saying because one of my prescriptions was on hold at Walgreens. I done finished up my work for the day. I said, well, let me just go on up here. Amber called, said, Mama, they called and say your prescription ready. They stay calling her phone now. So I'm on my way to pick up my prescription up here to the Walgreens. And I was telling them I really got a taste for me some greens. But I really don't feel like picking no greens too. And it was a place up here. I think they have a, like a, oh, she gonna run all over the garbage can. 100 boom. Oh, that's the postman. And so that you could stop at this person's house. But I think I'm gonna call my aunt up in Trenton. My other aunt and cousins are going up there for Christmas. And I'm gonna see if she could send me some greens back. Some turnip greens. I like turnip greens by themselves, or I like turnip and mustard mixed. I like collard greens too, but I don't like, now I will eat it, but I don't really like my collard greens mixed with other greens. I just like the collards by themselves for whatever reason. You know, where I can, like the other ones, I can mix them, but you know, like I said, I will eat them, but I prefer, it's just like, I just like that collard standalone flavor, you know. How about y'all? Which ones do you prefer? Do you mix your greens? And if so, which ones you mix? And I like the turnip and the curly leaf mustards mixed. I don't really like the slick leaf mustard mix. I guess y'all say, what? I know a lot of people be cooking kale like they cook greens, but I don't know if it's me. But turnips can be bitter too. But kale has just got a... I can eat a little bit of that. It just got a taste to it that I can't quite, I don't know. It's just, I can eat a little bit like in a stir fry or something like that, or, but just for like greens, and no, I don't want that. What y'all got on this Friday? Y'all done with your Christmas, or your last minute Christmasing? Look, if you ain't got it, don't get it. Don't get it. My other neighbor bought me some nice gift over there yesterday. A neighbor across the street. It was the sweetest card she put with it as well, and that was really thoughtful. And it was really some nice little those. I love those too. Those like mason jar like mugs. She got me some glasses, the mason jar, like 4 of them with the handles. I like those. They were really thoughtful. Nice. My other neighbor gave me something too. I'm not saying hers wasn't thoughtful and nice. I was just telling y'all about, you know, those in particular, because I really did like them. You know, that would be something I would be potting around buying, you know, myself. I need me some more. You know what I need to do? I need to go check my post office box. I've been saying I was going to go to the post office for the last month. And I ain't been over there yet to check that doggone P.O. box. I know they get sick of me because I be having stuff piled up over there. I know they be saying, this lady right here. It's a doggone line up here at the Walgreens for the prescriptions. But I'm going to stay in the line because I ain't going in the store today. I might just into interim go by Abby's and get me some greens. And a piece of cornbread. Now, them ain't nowhere near. Oh, you know why I ain't eaten in years? Piccadilly's. I hadn't eaten in Piccadilly's in years. I used to like Piccadilly's back in the day. And I used to like Luby's. Is there a Luby's? I know it's a Luby's in Texas. Luby's, I liked actually Luby's better than I did Piccadilly's. But they closed Luby's here years ago. You know. But I used to like Piccadilly's, but Piccadilly's has gone down. One of my favorite desserts, you know, I'm a very plain Jane person, and I used to like the yellow cake and chocolate icing back in the day. When me and Amber used to go on Kids Day when she was a little girl, and I was just telling Amber, now that's the one thing Piccadilly's do have that I like. I was telling Amber I just want me some fried chicken, but I had said I was just going to fry some drumettes like for Christmas. But I got those beef tips. I told you I eat chicken and fish all the time. So I really got to taste. So I'm going to cook that beef on Sunday. If I don't cook it, put it on tomorrow night in the crock. I'm going to sear them. I put them on in the crock pot tomorrow night. And I'm going to make some lima beans. And I got a bag of that slaw mix. So I'm going to saute that over in the skillet, you know, as cabbage. And that's going to be my dinner. I'm going to have some baby limas and okra. And going to throw a couple of potatoes and carrots over in them beef tips. Baby, it's going to be on and popping. My brother say he coming over Sunday. And so, yeah, he's coming over Christmas Eve because he has to work Christmas Day. So he said he was going to come and fellowship with me on Sunday. I really want me a piece of pecan pie. You know, back in the day, I'm just talking, y'all. Back in the day, they used to sell the sliced pie. I think it was Edwards or one of them people. But even Popeyes used to sell just the one piece of sliced pie in the box. They don't sell it no more. I love me some pecan pie. That was my favorite pie. My dad would make it. And I didn't, but you know what? Even as a kid, I never really liked more than one piece. Because it's real rich, but it's so delicious. And it ain't nothing like it. And I done had a pie, a whole pie, but I know I can't do nothing with a whole pie. I have to take it to work, you know, or somewhere, give it to somebody. I don't hate to buy a whole pie for a piece of pie. But even if you get them little individual pies, they not quite the same. It's not the same as that. Like, I hadn't had the Marie Callender's one. The Marie Callender's. I'm going to tell you something my dad would make at the holidays. He would make coconut cake. I would have me a piece of coconut cake. And I've had a couple of pieces since I've been an adult. But again, my dad could make some coconut cake. Coconut cake and pecan pie. He would bake, you know, during the holidays. And my grandmother made a fudge cake that I liked. But her pound cake, and I've had some good pound cakes. And I don't, man, people be getting offended when I say it, but couldn't nobody make no pound cake like my grandma. And that's just what it is. I'm sorry, your pound cake good, but it ain't my grandmama good. Okay? I'm sorry. Okay? Don't be offended. I didn't say your pound cake wasn't good. Do y'all get people like that? Well, you know, my pound cake good too. Now, I didn't like sweet potato pie. I don't really, and I still don't care for really sweet potato pie. I may have a sliver, and I mean a sliver if I eat some, right? I'm not a sweet potato pie person. And so, but my grandmother made good sweet potato pie, and I would eat a little slice of hers. And I mean a little sliver. And that wouldn't be nothing I'd be going for. If I was going to get something, it would be the pound cake. You know, that's my favorite cake, pound cake. So, and somebody, my brother was saying, couldn't nobody make sweet potato pie like my grandmother, you know. And so I think the person got offended. Well, her pie good too. Didn't nobody say her pie wasn't good. That's what you don't get. It's no competition. I'm not saying your pie not good. I'm just saying her pie. I said, we were looking up like, didn't nobody say her pie wasn't good? You just said your grandma made the best. You know, but it was some things my grandmama could cook. She couldn't cook no grits. I couldn't stand her grits. You see what I'm saying? So it is like, it's just some things, you know, people cook in your life that's special, and you be like, that's it. They put their foot on their neck. Oh, they foot in that. They got it. They got it down pat. You better know they got the recipe, baby, and you ain't touching it. You know, do you have some people in your family like that, but then you have other folks in your family that get straight offended? Y'all, last time I came here, I don't know if I told y'all, I was up in here, and then I forgot they had sent new cards, and I told y'all that. I know y'all said, don't tell us that mess again. I got it this time, but they gonna send me my reimbursement check anyway, so, because I already saw it was approved. They gonna send me my check in the mail, because I was too lazy. I probably would have had my money already if I wouldn't have been lazy and didn't feel like getting out, putting my bank information in there. But I was like, I don't even feel like, let them send a little $36 check. You know. And I really need to get some checks. You know, I done found out a couple of times this year, I really need to write a check. And do y'all still have checks? I don't even have no checks anymore. I need to get some checks just to have on point. And I really like to keep, although I give cash when I go to church, I prefer I would prefer, I think I'm gonna start giving online. Cause every church you go to now, you can give online, you know, just to have a record, because I be giving cash and I need a record of it, you know. I do need to keep a record of, you know, what I donate in church. Because I just be throwing whatever I have in the purse, 50 cents, whatever I have in my purse sometimes, I just throw it in there. You know, but it wouldn't be nothing this time. I ain't got but $10 in my purse. I need to get some money. Oh, no, I just said I was going to donate online, didn't I? To the service. But anyway, yeah. Are y'all cooking a big Sunday dinner? A big Sunday dinner and Christmas dinner? I know a lot of people be just having appetizers on Christmas. You know, because they be done just came off all that cooking. And it just amazes me, because when we were kids, you know, it was a lot of us. So, you know, we would have a big Thanksgiving and then turn around and have another big Christmas. We would have the same type of food. But, you know, it would be weak. So you would be like, yeah, this is it. So, anyway, that's that for that. I done got up here. They moved pretty quick.
Hey, can I help you?
Yes, I'm here to pick up a prescription for Donna Anderson.
Okay.
Hold on.
That right?
8369. Okay. $24.99. I told her, since there was a new card, to put it on file for future payment. Because, child, I be just forgetting, honey. And if it's already on there, sometimes I don't have that card with me when I roll through here to pick it up. I need to change purses. You know, I showed y'all I had got a new purse. I like this little purse, though. This was a nice little Amazon purse, too. This leather. I enjoyed my little purse. I ain't getting rid of it or nothing, but I'm going to change purses. I'm going to put my new purse. I'm going to feel like I'm special. Gotta be a special lady and a very exciting girl. Got me sitting on top of
Ma'am, you got a Walgreens number I can put in for you?
Yes, please.
And it looks like this one is already off. Well, no, it's not.
Yeah, that one's expired.
Alright, I got it updated for you. Did you want to get a flu shot today or anything?
No, I think I'll come back. I do need to get one.
Okay.
Do y'all have the Moderna, the third COVID vaccine, the Moderna?
We have Pfizer.
Oh, okay.
Got Moderna.
Who?
Hex
Cross. Okay, thank you, baby.
No problem.
You too. Merry Christmas. Okay. I ain't getting no flu. How's she gonna give me a flu shot out here in the driveway? Anyway, y'all know I'm silly. I'm like, what? Okay, all right, okay. Give me a flu shot. Let me put my seatbelt on before I pull this traffic heavy. Oh my God. Oh no, I got to do something here. Let me go up here. It's heavy out here. Well, for one thing, it's lunchtime. And you know, everybody done probably got off work early, because Am was just telling me they was getting ready to shut it on down on their job pretty soon and let them go home. Oh my goodness, child, please. And this traffic is heavy. I was thinking about whipping on up here to the Piccadillys and getting me something. But I don't think so. I think I'm going to turn my little happy butt around, because I don't want to be up in these restaurants at no 12 noon. No, I don't. Yeah. Anyway, y'all. What was I even talking about? Cookies. I'm not a big fan. I know a lot of people like cookies. But if you come here, that is not the barbecue place to go to, y'all. I'm going to tell you that right now. At least in my opinion. For those of you who think it is, it's not it. That is not the move, okay? All right. It's really just a commercial type of restaurant, you know. And to be honest with you, Jim and Nick's actually taste a little bit better. If you just want to know my personal opinion. That's me just talking now. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get off here. Y'all know what I need. I'm going in a total opposite direction. I said I was going to the post office. I'm going towards South Haven. Ain't no post office over here. The post office I need to go to an Olive Branch. I'll probably I don't know. They said it's supposed to rain tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna get out tomorrow. Talking about going no doggone post office. I don't even know where I'm going. Let me turn my tail around and go home. I don't know where I'm going. I'm not going no Piccadilly's. I just said I wasn't going to Piccadilly's, but the more I said I wasn't going, it's across the street from where the Target at. But you know what? I'm gonna turn right. I'm not gonna turn left. I'm not going to no doggone. Is that what Piccadilly's is? I thought Piccadilly's was over there somewhere. It is Piccadilly's to go. Piccadilly's to go. Nope. Turn your tail around. Just turn on around. Turn over here at the Target and turn around. I wonder if this poke Roman bowl world pretty good. Is that how you pronounce it? Poke bowl. Poke bowl. Poke bowl. Oh, I was reading y'all comments about it. Everybody was saying how they were thankful. Y'all, they were just beautiful. And it's just a blessing to be in the moment of thankfulness, you know, and thanking God for all that he has done for us. And sometimes, and when I was doing my devotional this morning, I'm going to get off here after this because I know y'all say you just talking. I was doing my devotional this morning after I had read them. You know, I wake up with the chickens and I read them. And then later on in the morning, I did my devotional before I started work. And I was just reflecting on some of the things that you all were saying. And then as I was thinking about it and thanking God for all that he has done, I just said, great is thy faithfulness. God is so faithful. God is so faithful, y'all. He is so good. And a lot of times I took some time to reflect and write in my devotional this morning about God, we thank you for everything. You know, sometimes I don't move. I ask God to forgive me because I don't move like I should. Sometimes I do things not knowingly. Sometimes I do things knowingly. I don't move like I know I should, and I don't walk in the ways that I should. But yet still, God, you keep me. And it's good to be thankful for the things that you see. But God, I don't even know all that you do for me. I don't even have a clue of the protection, the coverage you have over me, the stops, the starts, the pauses. You know, God will put a pause in your life. He'll hold you up from leaving your house sometime. You be like, oh, I just can't get it together. And you be flustered and frustrated, but God will put a pause on you because he done stopped you from getting in the car and happening some wreck that happened down the road. You done missed it because you were stalled. Or he done covered you from a clown situation where a situation you may have been normally going to and something done sprung off in a store or a club or a restaurant. And you're like, I would have normally been there. But God, y'all, you just don't even know. And it's just like, God, I don't even know all I should even be thanking you for that you done for me. It's easy to thank you for the things I see and I know that you've blessed me with. But all the things that you done covered and blocked and stopped, that I didn't have a clue that you covered and protected me for. God, I just thank you. God is so good, y'all. God is so good. I just get full thinking about it this morning, y'all. I just went into a praise this morning, thanking God for just being so good. And y'all, Jesus is the reason for the season. We thank God for his son. We thank God for the blessing of sending him. We thank God for salvation. Lord, we just thankful. I'm just so thankful, y'all. And I just want y'all to know that God truly loves you. But guess what? You're loved. I love you. And God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. And I'm going to get off here, y'all. But y'all know, y'all went and almost made it. I almost didn't go home. God bless you. Y'all probably sick of me just talking. But anyway, I thank y'all for hanging on here with me. This Vlogmas, sticking with a sister. You know you're loved. Again, I love you. And I'll see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas day number 23. Love y'all. Bye.